Hey guys, you're watching my channel Dil Se. Today's dish is Indo Tangy Lasagna. So let's watch it. Let's begin with white sauce firstly. Take a big kadhai and add 25 grams of butter in it. Let it melt wholly, like this. Now make sure that the butter melts completely to follow up the further steps. It will look like this. After melting the butter, add 2 big spoons of white flour and mix it well in the butter. Again I said properly. With the help of milk so that to avoid lumps in it. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of oregano and chili flakes each. Mix it well. Then add 1 cheese cube to make it more cheesier. Mix again. You will get white sauce for lasagna, which we will spread over each layer. It's little bit fluffy, which will add creamy flavor to lasagna. Now switch to red sauce. Add 4 tomatoes in water-filled container and boil it. You can have more tomatoes according to the quantity of red sauce. Cover it with a lid. Once they are boiled, peel off the skin of the tomatoes. It will look like this. Make sure that you will not burn your hands. You can also take off the eye of the tomatoes, but I have not taken it. Now put these into mixer and after grinding, you will get the tomato puree. Now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You can have any kind of oil. Spread it finely and let it heat for few seconds. Now add finely chopped garlics with chopped onions. Cook it until it turns golden brown. Cook it well for 2 to 3 minutes with oil. As you can see, these are cooked. Now add salt, red chili powder and turmeric, 1 teaspoon each, and mix it well again. Then add tomato puree and stir it slowly so that the cooked spice will mix properly with the tomato puree. It's uncooked right now. After some time, it will look like this. Now add 2 tablespoons of garlic chutney, oregano and chili flakes according to your taste and mix it again. Now leave it to cook until the oil leaves around and you will see it will look like this. We will get our red sauce for layering the spicy lasagna. This is a semi-liquid sauce. Now this is the veggie toppings which will be spread over in each layer of lasagna. I have used garlic, onion, capsicum, tomatoes, green chili, potatoes, spinach and paneer. You can add more veggies as per your choice and taste. I could have used corns, but it was not available. Now take a small kadhai, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, any kind of oil you can use. Then add cumin seeds and black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon each. Now it's time to add veggies, step by step as shown. Firstly onions, then chopped garlic. Mix it a while. Tomatoes, potatoes, green chili and capsicum in respective shapes. Make sure your veggies are finely chopped. Cook it well. Now add salt, red chili powder and turmeric, 1 teaspoon each. Mix it again and cook it well. Add 1 tablespoon of Kitchen King masala, which is compulsory to make it spicier, 2 spoons of garlic chutney, 1 teaspoon each of red chili sauce, soya sauce and vinegar. You can also add green chili sauce too. Cook it well again while stirring. After cooking it for a while, add spinach. Now add oregano and chili flakes according to your taste. Mix it well again. As you can see, we have cooked it. Now add raw crushed paneer. This will complete our topping. Mix it well again. Now to make the lasagna, our final step is to take breads. I have taken 8 slices of bread to form 2 layers. You can add more slices to make more layers of lasagna. Now cut the corners like this. Now take each bread to roll by the rolling pin throughout the corners to make it more softer. It becomes thin. Roll it for 3 to 4 times and it should look like this, thinner and softer. Now take the container in which you will bake the lasagna, grease it with butter, add some red sauce, spread it evenly. You can add more to make it spicier. Now add some white sauce, mix it well and it would look like this. Grate half cube of cheese. You can grate one as well to make it more cheesier. Now for our first layer, put 4 slices of bread in this way. Spread some red sauce and white sauce, mix it and it will look like this. Spread some veggies. You can add more veggies. Spread finely. Cover the layer with cheese slices. I have taken 2, you can add more. Now some raw crushed paneer. Now it's time to make our second layer. To make the second layer, add 4 more slices and repeat the process as before. You can add more slices of bread to make more layers of lasagna. Cover the topmost layer with 4 slices of cheese. You can also add more slices of cheese to make it more cheesier if you like cheese more. After adding cheese, spread a bit of red sauce all over finely with some veggies to make it look more attractive. You can also add white sauce to make it more creamier. I've not taken it. Now some chili flakes. Now bake the lasagna on low flame for 15 to 17 minutes and cover it with a lid. Also make sure your lasagna is not more cooked. After 15 to 17 minutes, we will get our lasagna done. It looks delicious as looking in the video. All the flavors of lasagna are totally visible in it. Lasagna is basically made of pasta layers, but ours is veggies one with Indian tadka. You can see it's cheesier and creamier. Now it's time to cut a piece and serve to others. Take a small bowl or plate and serve it hot. It's enough for one person. Now it's time to cut a bite and grab it for yourself. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe.